Supporters of marriage equality are celebrating across the country today, including right here in our area after today's Supreme Court decision.
The High Court voted 5-4 to legalize same-sex marriage in all 50 states. News 8's Kyle Dimke is in our newsroom with local reaction.
Well, members of the local LGBT community could not be more excited about today's ruling. They say they can finally breathe a sigh of relief, knowing the highest court in the land has ruled in their favor. But they say their work is not over. Did you ever think you would see this day come?
No.
Reegan, Shafer, and Nick Jensen have been together for almost 9 years, madly in love. 6 years ago, because same-sex marriage was not recognized in Wisconsin, the couple went ahead with a commitment ceremony. But now that things have changed,
we're renewing our vows in 7 days to make it legal in the state of Wisconsin.
The pair has had their wedding day picked out since October, when same-sex marriage became legal in the state.
That's why we had the commitment ceremony 6 years ago. We never thought it was going to happen.
But today's Supreme Court ruling makes their day a little more special.
I think that was like the first thing that I put on Facebook this morning, was that it's not a gay marriage. It was never a same-sex marriage issue for us. It was marriage equality.
The reality is that there's still some work to do.
Jackson Jensen of the Seven Rivers LGBT Center in La Crosse says marriage equality in the U.S. is a huge step for the LGBT community and for the country. But he says there are still several states in the U.S. with laws against same-sex couples.
In theory, members of the community can get married this weekend and then they could go into their jobs on Monday and be fired. Just because of who they love. There's not worker protections based on identity. So they can be fired for being gay, lesbian, or bi.
Nick and Reegan agree that things still won't be easy for same-sex couples, but they say they are just glad they're living in a time when their marriage is recognized just like everyone else's.
It goes back to love is love, and it's not same-sex gay marriage, it's marriage.
Reegan and Nick say they're very fortunate to be surrounded by a very supportive group of friends and family. They also acknowledge that this transition is not going to be easy, but they hope younger same-sex couples will now feel more comfortable about being open with their relationship.